COVID hair. Just got a haircut after 35 weeks. Model 2 Rat. My all-time favorite knife. It's cheap. So one thing I found out was the weight of this thing. It's like 22 pounds. Oh, God. Alright, let's get into it. What does it look like? It's a beast. Love silica packets. So what do we got in here? Got the hose. I think it's 26 feet. Not sure what that is yet, but we'll get into it. All the little accessories in the manual. A little quick attach. Couple different sized nozzles and the instruction manual. It's got to hook up to the 12 volt. You're going to want to have the vehicle running. And here is the unit. Look how flippin' big this thing is. You definitely need to be lifting. You know the saying, do you lift, bro? And this is pretty much what it feels like. Do you lift, bro? 20 pounds. Use a little release valve. Okay, here's more of a closer look of the compressor. You got the two positive negative alligator clips. Pretty robust. Looks like it's copper plated, probably not full copper, just plated, that's my guess. I haven't looked at it or scratched it off or try to verify one thing or another. So that's how you hook it up to a battery. On the side you have the on off. You have the purge system for the tank if there's any residual air stuck into the compressor itself. You got the quick release right up here at the handle. In the back you have a reset button right here. On this side, there's not much to it other than what you see. Bottom, it has a stout plate, so to speak. I'll show you right here. Get the rubber grommets so it doesn't move around when it's on. Vibration is cut down. There's 4 of those. There's this clever cap right here for the filter. The manual recommends every 6 months to clean it out, but I'd say the amount of times you'd use it, it's probably going to be minimal, so I bet you it's not going to get that dirty unless you're in probably a dunes or a sandy environment, but here it is. You got the mediums here, and you just clean it out, make sure it's nice and clean if performance is being suffered. It's a good thing to check and just make sure that it's working and running and operating correctly. Slap it and you're good to go. So that's kind of it. Alright, first thing I'm just checking is I kind of don't have it fully set up correctly with it all coiled up, but any movement to this it kind of does leak, but it does settle down. We're going to want 25, right? trusty. Looks like we're pretty close. Super windy today, so here we go. Got this set up. I haven't punched in the line yet. Got it all set up there. Came undone while I was getting my camera, so noise again. It's got a lot of air. Okay, this is the little quick release. Move it forward. .37, looking good. Call that tire done. So it does move quite a bit of air. Since it was my first time pumping up the tire with the unit, I didn't quite know how much air was being pumped in, but it seemed like for every 15 to 20 seconds, it looks like about a PSI went up. Pack this stuff all up. How hot is it? Really not hot at all. But that was kind of 2 tires worth of pumping. Unscrew this guy.